Hello, 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 hello. Hello, guys. Welcome back to. Guys, welcome back to another stream. Chop, chop. Welcome to stream. So, guys, okay. Today we are going to make this little corridor. Okay, this spooky corridor in Unreal Engine and today's Max 5. So, then we will change the scene to this black and white color grade. Okay. So creating these basic walls and the windows. Okay, then we will unwrap the UV. Then we will export everything to Unreal Engine and render it there. So everyone again, welcome back to another stream. Thanks for joining. I'm going to move this to side. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and support. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing. So we're going to create a wall first. Okay, say basic wall. We'll use this plane. I'm going to the front view, and okay, we don't need this. I'm going to create. Sorry, start from here to here. Okay, then apply a material. Listen. And we don't need all these sequence. And I'm going to convert this plane to a table poly. Maybe we should increase the height a little bit. And okay, this is the basic wall. Okay, it's a plane one-sided mesh. So I'm gonna create a pillar next with this. Okay, I'm gonna save a copy. I'm gonna create a pillar with this box, or we can just duplicate this plane and select this edge and reduce this length. Okay, and we will select these two edges, then hold on shift and extrude to back like this. Okay, then we can move it here. Okay, this is a basic pillar, and I'm gonna select these two edges again, and we will chamfer it little bit. Okay, okay. It's a basic wall and pillar. Okay, okay, fine. Going to guys, you guys can suggest something for our next tutorial. Okay, I'm running out of ideas actually. So we have these. I'm going to create the ceiling. Okay, I'm gonna select this mesh. Okay, we'll move it here first and select this mesh, then select this edge and we will extrude this one to the center like this. Okay. Okay, and we will detach this plane from this wall. Okay, then I'm going to add a segment in this center. Okay, see, this if loop won't work if you are not in the correct face. If you are not facing the correct face, okay. We can't draw it in here. What we here? Okay, and I'm going to move this edge to the top like this. Then we will use this chamfer. Wait. Wait. Okay, something like this, and increase the segments. Okay, maybe 6. This will be our ceiling, and again I'm going to duplicate this mesh, then select all these vertex and reduce the size, sorry, length, and I will select these edges, then extrude to top, and we will move this thing down. And I can actually change the shape. I mean, this one like this. Okay, I can use this as a beam or whatever it is. Okay, to support the pillar and the ceiling. Here we can connect these two edges. Just use this bridge thing. Okay, and we will chamfer these two a little bit. I'm gonna type 0 with 2 segments. Okay, yes, and we will save a copy or backups. Okay, yes. Okay, and we will. I'm gonna duplicate this wall again. Now we need to create a window. I'm going to insert this one. Maybe this much. And we will extrude it inside like this. Even we can just decrease the width like this. And now we need to select these two edges and chamfer it to make it look like we saw in the picture. Okay, okay, we need to add a few more segments and increase the chamfer. Sorry. Okay, and we can remove these two edges because we don't need them. Control and backspace. Okay, and maybe hold on. We can move this to the left and we will weld all these together. We need to connect these two first, then we can weld them. Maybe we should move this to right. Okay, it's perfect, right? Okay, should be fine. And we can add a smoothing groups. Clear it. Auto smooth. Okay, I think it's fine. And I'm gonna select all these vertex. Then reduce the size from this side one more time. Okay. So this is our window. I'm gonna delete this face. We don't need it. Okay, and save a copy. Then we will select all these faces. Then insert one more time. Just a little bit. And here we need to connect these to the text, I think. Nope. Or maybe we should. Okay. Nice, hold on. We need to check that insert one more time. Still waiting. Welcome to the stream. Best photo reels under the Ethan. ഓ ഏതാണെന്നോ മലയാളിയാണെന്നോ അത് Best photorealistic render. Lumion ആണോ? I think it's Lumion. Okay, maybe we should we need to weld. Yes. Okay, I'm going to select all the vertex in there, then weld it. Then we will try the insert one more time. Should be fine. Yeah, then I'm going to chamfer the edges a little bit. The two segments, okay. Two or one. And add a different smoothing groups. പിന്നെ അലുമിനിയം ആണോടാ അറിയത്തില്ല കേട്ടോ പക്ഷെ എൻ്റെ റെൻഡറിങ് വാസ് നൈസ്. മിസ്റ്റർ ജോൺസൺ വെൽക്കം ടു ദ സ്ട്രീം. ലൂമിൻ റെൻഡറിങ് കണ്ടിട്ട് കൊള്ളാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. അതാ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു, ഞാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. നെവർ യൂസ്ഡ് ദാറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, തിങ്സ് ഫൈൻ റൈറ്റ്. Maybe we need to weld few vertex. Nope. Okay, I think maybe one more wall to close the building, right? And a floor. Okay, I'm gonna save again. We can use this wall. Okay, fine. And I will extrude this edge like we did for the ceiling. Think this is enough, right? For the floor, I think it's enough. I'm going to detach this one, then change the pivot. Redismax Corona render use ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Redismaxൽ ഞാൻ റെൻഡർ ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ല. ഞാൻ കൂടുതൽ വീറയാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. 3ds Max and വീറ. So guys, these are the meshes we need. Now we can, this thing doesn't look right. Okay, now it's fine. Maybe we need to create one more. It's fine now. Maybe we should increase the width of this mesh. This. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we can unwrap the UVs. Okay, it's going to be easy. I'm going to add this unwrap UVW modifier. Okay, so it's a plane, so we can just relax it. Pack it. Okay. and the floor is plain. Okay, maybe we need to with this planar projection, see direction, likes it. Okay, you need to pack right. And the pillar, control A to select everything. Then we will use this planar projection in y direction and lax a bit. Okay. And the ceiling is just a plane, right? You don't need to add anything. Okay. We will add this modifier and planar projection, see direction, lax it. Ravi, what does that do? This unwrap, we can add textures and everything. Add texture add here. We need to unwrap UV if you want to add textures, or else it will be like, I will show you an example. Okay, this is actually not unwrapped, so I'm going to find a texture from Google. Okay, I will add a brick one. Okay, Dubs Gaming, thanks for the subscription. Welcome to the stream. Okay, I will download this brick texture and I'm going to add it in here. Okay, actually, maybe we need to hold on. Add a bitmap and show in folder. See. Okay, then I will open this brick texture. And I will apply this texture to this non-unwrapped mesh. See, it will be like this. And if I apply this material to an unwrapped mesh, see the difference. Okay, and here we can tile the textures to 4x4. See, it's the difference. Okay, and I'm going to change the texture, and we will unwrap this one. Okay, and change to checker pattern, and we will select this face first, then use this quick planar projection and lax a bit. Okay, then move this aside, then Control I to invert selection, so it will select the rest of the face, and we can use planar projection, I think. Run check. Or we can use quick projection. Yes. Okay, I'm going to break this edge. Double click, break it. X live car unwrap ചെയ്യാമെങ്കിൽ yes. Okay, I will try. നോക്കണം car okay, we need to select this vertex and move this, relax it. So everything will be fine, I think, except this one. There is something. Okay, maybe we need to straighten this selection like this. So yes, it's fine, right? Okay. Okay. Now control it to select everything, and we can pack it and we'll close this one. Hold on. Actually, I'm going to pack one by one like this, and we will add a different material for this side. I mean this part. The collapse maybe, and add this. Okay, now if I apply this material, I mean this brick one, except for this side, see, I need to check the other wall. So it almost matches, right? That's why I packed them separately. This texture is actually not a seamless one. Okay, just a random image from Google, so don't worry about this. So I will check this image, and okay, thing okay, we have this mesh. Okay, നല്ല സൈറ്റ് ഫ്രീ ഇല്ലടാ നല്ല യൂട്യൂബേ ഉള്ളൂ കേട്ടോ ഫ്രീ ഫ്രീ സൈറ്റ് so select everything, then use this quick planar map and relax it to detach these two faces from the mesh. Them maybe you should okay, actually we need to scale this thing down manually, So I'm going to select this brush, sorry, scale tool, and okay, scale it. Then we will pack them. Okay, same thing for this brush. Okay, hold on, not this one. We need to scale this side also, and this. Okay, okay, I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay, it should be fine. Think we unwrapped everything, right? Yep. Okay, I'm not gonna create a window frame. Can just keep it like this. Okay, I think will be fine, right? Okay, maybe we should create one more mesh. Or okay, hold on. Okay, okay, we can keep it like this. Okay, it's fine. We need to close this mesh, I think. Okay, I'm gonna collapse this UV and select these edges, then bridge it. And we need to close this gap also, like this, and remove this edge. We don't need it. Control and backspace, and we'll add this modifier, wrap UV modifier one more time, and select this face with projection, relax a bit, and check the other UV. Okay, fine. And then back one more time. Okay, things fine. Okay, then now we will export everything to Unreal Engine. Once we change the pivot, we'll export. Okay, I'm going to export this wall first. Move it here. Okay, hold on. Maybe we need to add two different materials. No, we'll just export it. Okay, then select export selected. Desktop, new folder, and I'm gonna name this SM Wall1. This Export selected. Some world 2 is floor. Some floor. Some for static mesh. Okay. The ceiling. Ceiling one. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And the last one is pillar, I think. Okay, some pillar. Okay, I think we export everything. So we can open the engine. Then close the max. And we are going to use Quixel mixture for the textiles. It's free actually. You guys can download it from Megascan. So Quixel website. Okay, and it will show you the last project. Okay, this. Okay, this actually we made this in Monday, right? So, it will take some time to prepare the shaders. Here I will create a new level, this basic one, and couple of folders and the contents. Call this spooky and sorry meshes, materials, maps, and textures. I'm going to save all. Okay, and we will import all the meshes. Okay, three total six, right? Okay, leave everything default. You don't need to change anything. Just import all and save it. Mm, and change it to low. Then we will drop all the meshes. Okay, this is a plane. Uh, I'm gonna save this one first. Spooky. Make sure you save your map. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this mesh. Hold on Alt. Then change it to our second one. Okay, actually we don't need to change this one in this side. Change it back there. And you can hold down V, then drag it to the mesh. It will automatically snap or snap the vertex. And I'm going to duplicate this mesh one more time, then change it to our pillar and place it here in the center. Okay, now I will duplicate this pillar and change it to our okay, and duplicate this again and change it to our ceiling mesh and place it here. Okay, hold on V, then drag to the mesh till snap their vertex, and you need to move this around, right? Okay, and save everything. Now I'm going to duplicate these three to this side, then transform and mirror to y direction. Place it here. Okay, now I'm going to change this mesh to our another wall. This one. Okay, save everything, then I'm going to loop all these meshes. Sorry, select this one, then hold on shift and right click, loop, and hold on alt to duplicate, and I'm gonna place the pivot here for now. Then you can snap up. You can snap when we are using this group mesh. Okay, it's fine. Okay. Maybe a couple of times we can. I'm gonna select these two and duplicate. Place the pivot here. Yeah. Okay. And maybe one more time we can duplicate it, right? Or we don't need to duplicate. Yes, this is enough. Now we can close this. Or I'm going to unlock this group and duplicate this mesh and rotate. Hold on. Rotate 90 degree. Okay, actually we need to create another mesh for this side, but we don't have it, so I'm going to scale this mesh up like this. and move it here. So it won't be, you can see through the window, right? Yes. And we will duplicate this mesh to here also. Then transform, mirror X. We need to scale one more time. So this one, okay, save everything. And we don't need this floor. We'll delete it. And we'll ungroup this mesh. Sorry, unlock this mesh. And duplicate this wall. Okay, we can use this as a floor also. Maybe if I change it to our folder, okay, we can use this wall. This floor, okay. Yes, replace the texture. That's it. And I'm going to remove from the group and duplicate this mesh and group this again. Okay, actually we can create another wall with this door and everything. That's fine. Can okay, now we need to import some textures. Then create materials. Okay, I'm gonna create new mix. So, okay, you guys can download this one. It's actually free from Kixel website. Just Google it. I'm gonna find concrete. Okay, maybe concrete floor. Okay, just a basic concrete wall is enough. Maybe this one. Okay, this is too rough. Okay, we need to find this one. Yes, smooth one. We can change the color, right? Yeah, use this. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Delete this one. Or we can. Okay, I think this is better, right? Okay. Okay, I will export this one to K and call this T underscore concrete and export to this folder. Maybe we can add some depth with this mesh. Sorry, material from above. Okay. And change, sorry, pick underline color and increase the threshold a little bit and reduce the radius. Okay, this looks better. Maybe you should change the color a little bit like this and change the tiling to 1 and reduce the threshold back to, okay, this looks better, right? Okay, I'm gonna re-export this one and we will create a material here once we import all these textures. Okay, make sure you flip this green channel and right click material. I'm gonna call this wall. Okay, we will call this concrete. Wait. Okay, fine, it's fine. Okay. Okay, now I will drop this one to the editor and convert to parameter and call this B for base. Okay, then connect to base color, drop this normal map, convert to parameter called N, connect to normal and this reference map, convert to parameter. I'm converting this because we can change all these textures if we want to with this material instance. Okay, I'll show you better. Now we need to create a UV so we can scale all these textures if we want. Hold on, M and S parameter. This to scale the textures and use default value 1 and we will connect it to this multiply, then connect this multiply to all of our textures. Okay, it's the basic setup. Okay, base color normal, then roughness and apply. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, save everything. You can see the shadows because I'm using this low engine scalability Okay. Or low graphics quality. If I change it to high, you can see all the shadows and everything. Okay, now I'm going to create material instance from this one. I'm gonna call this walls. Here we can change all the textures we want. Okay, just drop it like this. I'm gonna select all these meshes. Then we will apply this material sense. Say if you want. And one more thing we need to do, I'm gonna open the material and make sure click this one and check this two-sided option. Okay. And apply it again. Save one more time. And I will find the direction light. Reset. Should be okay. Okay, we'll do that later. Now I'm going to find some floor texture. Maybe tiles. No, tile. Okay, we can use one of these. Yeah, this is square. Should we can use this one, right? And move this one to the top. This is actually a concrete one. Kapil Patel morning culture. What? Welcome to the stream. Okay, wait. This one is here floor. This is the tile. Okay. Now I'm going to change this color to some black. And change to from above. No, from below is fine. This radius. And I'm gonna change this yellow to a white one. And the roughness, I'm gonna increase it. And also this color. Okay, I think this will do. Right, we can use this texture, right? Maybe a little bit radius. This much. And okay, everything's fine. Maybe we should change this. Okay, okay, I will export this one as floor and import it here. Is three. Save everything. And open the floor texture. Sorry, normal map. Now we will duplicate this material instance to floor and sorry, replace all these textures. Okay, here we can change the preview type to cylindrical or a plane or a cube. Okay, and your custom mesh. Save everything. Okay, now we need to drop this into our floor. And we can change the scaling to lower 4 and save it. Actually, this border should touch the wall. I'm gonna open this material and change to 1 or 2.5. Or 2.3. If I use 3, I think 3 is better. It's touching the border, right? On two sides. I'm gonna use 2, okay? Doesn't matter anyway. Okay, now I'm gonna use the same material for the pillar, I mean this concrete. And for the ceiling, and for the pillars. Okay, one more wall, right? Yes. We change this one. Okay, I think we should change the wall. Okay, like this. And we need to add a couple of things. Like I'm gonna find the exponential fork, delete it, and add a post-process volume for the exposure and everything. I'm gonna change the exposure to points, and we'll add a new exponential fork. Change the color and turn this volumetric fork on and find the directional line. Increase the volumetry scattering intensity and direct lighting intensity. Would you ever do a classic Bollywood scene? Oh, maybe. There is actually ambient light, right? Okay, for that, I think find this one. Or directional light and change the intensity to 3 or maybe or 4. And find the post process volume. Okay, we don't need this. I'm gonna close it and change the exposure to 0.8 and check. Okay, maybe fine. And I'm gonna turn this on in this left shaft bloom. It's not working. Okay, it's actually working. See, actually, there is light bleeding through all these edges. And I'm gonna change a couple of more things. Like open this post process volume, find the saturation and contrast. I change the contrast to guys. Can you hear me? Something happened. Hello, hello. Okay, set. So, okay, here we will change the saturation to 0. Be fine, right? Okay, we need to change the light intensity. I think reset it should be 6 or post process volume change the exposure back to 0.8 or something and change it to high. Okay, looks nice. And image effects, weakness intensity. Let's save everything. And I'm gonna find the exponential flow and increase the intensity to 1, save all, and change it back to zero point 0.5 or zero point 0.2. Or zero point 0.1. And find the direction line. Mic working, okay. I think my network gone for a second or something. 6, okay, 6, sorry. 2, okay, I'm gonna keep it 5. I think 6. Sorry, 6. And indirect lighting intensity, no. Actually, we need to add a. I'll show you. Add a letter right. Gonna find the post process. Only one more time. Saturation 0. Did I change to 3? Okay, 2, 1. I think 2 is enough. 2.1. Oh, sorry, 2.1, not 21. Okay, we can highlights. Okay, actually, I was looking for this. Okay, I'm gonna search for alert. Okay, color grading. Maybe we can add one like LUT. Okay, hold on. Let me change to medium. Sorry, high. And think we don't have a black and white. Okay, I don't think so. Mm, Okay, here we can change the temperature, right? Okay, maybe white balance. See, these lights are actually bleeding through all these edges. We need to take this thing maybe. Okay, these lights actually bleeding through all these edges because we are using only plain mesh. See this maybe. Hold on, what if I move this mesh? Okay, and I'm gonna find some decals. Hello, where can I get this asset? Shahab, welcome to the stream. Uh, you mean this environment? I think I need to upload it somewhere, right? I'm gonna search for decal and I can use all of download this one and export medium quality. Okay, and it will be somewhere here in this decal. I'm gonna add this decal actor and apply this material. Sorry, and I'm gonna rotate this one with this snap on and all this. Okay, it's actually die right and change the scaling. And I will duplicate this one, move to somewhere here. And import next one. Maybe this one. Change this back to bright. We'll change it to this one, okay? Or we can place it in this hole. Rotate this one. Okay, it's actually a blue color. We don't have a saturation enabled. I say it's looking this. Save everything. Maybe we can still add a couple of more voice here. Okay, clean system. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this and replace it there. Maybe we can place it in here. Let's rotate to 90, I think, or 90. If I change to, you guys can see the, maybe should turn this on and direct lighting intensity. Maybe you should, now we can see, right? And I'm gonna replace this wall, group, and look, and replace this wall with another wall. And I'm gonna find some color left. Okay, hold on. Color lookup tables. Okay, we need to, can download actually. Okay, wait. There was actually a preset around somewhere. Okay, maybe in the Unreal Engine forum. Okay, PNG format. Okay, I think I found it. Just download it. Okay, I'm gonna show in folder. Okay, okay, I'm gonna put all this in here. Okay, these are the color tables I found. I'm gonna save everything and we'll find the post process one more time. Change it high and search for lookup table option. can drop it, right? Okay. Nope. If I change the okay, nope. Select this one. Nope. This one maybe we can find a black and white. Evening, fall, filmic. So it's not a black and white. Okay. Actually, we need a monocolors. This won't work, I think. Nice. Night dark, warm contrast. Please yellow. Okay. Bleedy pants. Okay, maybe we can use this one. Wait. If I change to by medium. Nope. Okay. Maybe we need to. That's one more time. I think I can't find a free version. Okay. We can just use this one and change the color. That's what we can do. Okay, I think it's enough. If I change it to cinematic, and we don't need this wall in here. Okay, where is it? I'm gonna find this one and change to. And find our directional light one more time. And change this and find the skylight. Okay. Day night, maybe sunset. Okay. Okay, I think this is default lighting is better. Just change the color to some black or something or gray and find the light, I mean direction light one time. See this light actually bleeding through, but not in close range, right? Yeah, I don't know. We think we can hide this with a mesh or something. Okay, I'm gonna find this. Sorry, increase this indirect light intensity. Pitch to low or medium. Then see everything is black and white. I'm going to duplicate this mesh. Hold on, Alt. Then rotate 90. If I place it somewhere here, we can hide this light bleeding. So yeah, it will bleed through these edge, right? And it's actually a problem. Actually, we need to find a full mesh. I mean, I'm gonna search for cube or something. Settings cube. Okay, I place it here. The light won't bleed through this. Observe. Okay, actually, it's still bleeding. Okay, but not as much as our old mesh. Okay, we can apply our material in this mesh. Or hold on, if I move this or scale this to the top, see the light won't bleed. Can place it outside. Okay, except for this window. I'm gonna scale it down right here, and maybe we need to duplicate this some more time. Okay, make sure you don't use single-sided mesh in Unreal Engine. Okay, should be fine now. Okay, only for this area, it's fine. And I think we need to duplicate this mesh more time and place somewhere here. No one will see, right? So guys, that's it for today. So next time we won't use this single-sided mesh. Okay, we will go for a box or something instead of plain mesh. Okay, and last is some. Cesar, can I say notorious? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. So guys, that's it for today. Everyone, thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for the support. If you want to ask something, you can just comment in the chat and can suggest something for our next tutorial. Okay. Change to a pic. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna remove this mesh. Okay, and if I change the engine scalability to epic, the light won't show up, right? Okay, it's still showing. I think epic looks more better, right? If I change the scalability to high, no, it doesn't matter, guys. We uh, still need a four-sided mesh. Okay, like this. If I change this back to epic, nothing happens. Nikhil, welcome to the stream. Patrick, welcome to for example, PT project. PT project we already did, bro. Also, in last week, or I don't know. We did the live. Okay. Okay. So, guys, that's it for the spooky corridor. Hope you guys liked today's stream. So, if I change this saturation, mm, not this one actually. Wait. If I change, okay, this won't affect. Okay. If I change the saturation back to normal, it will be like this. Okay. So, this will be a 0. And the contrast will be 5. And we can increase the ambient occlusion. They're gonna find the directional light again. Here we can increase the direct lighting intensity and the light intensity. Okay, now looks and okay, looks better now. Okay, this is too much contrast. I think. Wait, I'm gonna change the contrast back to 0.5. Okay. So like I mean to continue the project, so like small series. Okay, I will try. I'm not sure. Maybe a different one. Hmm. So guys, everyone again, thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for the support. Sorry, support. If you want to ask something, you can just comment. and next stream will be on Friday. Okay, so don't forget to join on Friday. So again, everyone, thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for the support. If you want to ask something, you can just comment. Okay, if I get 75 or 80 percentage, yes, for this, should we start Blender poll? Uh, we will start Blender also. Okay. Now we have only 68 percentage. We need at least 75 or 80. Then we will use the Blender also. AMA, hi bro, welcome back to another stream. Thanks for joining. This thing actually flickering, right? I'm fine, bro. How are you? Okay, AMA. So guys, I will wait 5 more minutes. If you want to ask something, you can just comment. And don't forget to like, share. Okay then guys, everyone. So again, thanks for joining the stream. Thanks for the support. Next stream will be on Friday. So until then, bye guys. Bye guys. See you soon. Bye guys. Take care.